Unimmortal baby? The axolotl is a creature that never grows up. It stays in its baby form for life, even as an adult. That's like being a kid, forever. Too lost an arm? No problem. Cut off an axolotl's leg, tail, or even part of its heart. It just grows back, like nothing ever happened. Scientists are still amazed. Three smiling assassin. Always looks like it's smiling, but don't let that face fool you. It's a hunter, ready to snap up worms and tiny fish. Four underwater forever. Unlike frogs or salamanders, axolotls never leave the water. They live, breathe, and even sleep underwater for their entire lives. No land legs needed. Five glowing mystery. Some axolotls can glow in our UV light. Why? Because scientists genetically modify their data with research. Nature meets science. Glowing style.